Hello, I'm Kyle from Rigg Adventure, and today I want to introduce you to the Hurricane Adventure Tank Bag, part number SE-4008. This tank bag is specifically shaped to fit most modern dual sport, enduro, and adventure motorcycles. It holds over 8 liters of gear and is easy to attach and use. Made from a heavy-duty UV-treated PVC tarpaulin material, this bag is extremely durable and it's completely waterproof. And with its electronically heat-welded seams, this bag is guaranteed not to leak. Helping to make this bag waterproof is the neoprene flap that goes all the way around the bag, which helps keep dust and dirt away from the water-resistant zippers. Accessing the bag is easy, even while wearing gloves. Simply flip up the flap and grab one of the zipper pulls. It's that easy. Inside the bag, you're going to notice a zippered mesh pocket and a pull tab for quick access to the clear touchscreen-friendly map pocket. The adjustable internal divider is attached with hook and loop and can help organize your gear. It can be moved anywhere inside the bag, allowing the perfect fit. And as the gear changes and the need for space changes, the divider can be relocated to accommodate. Closing the bag, you will notice the lockable zippers, which accept any luggage lock. This bag mounts to the bike using quick-release straps for easy attachment, refueling, and removal from the bike. The protective base material prevents the bag from slipping and/or marking of painted surfaces. Two more noteworthy features of this bag are going to be the reflective accents you're going to find at each corner of the bag, as well as across the carry handle for better visibility in low-light situations, and a rubberized carry handle for easy transport. The main compartment here measures 14 inches by 7.5 inches by 9 inches. And it holds 8 liters of gear. All right, guys, time for the installation of the Hurricane Adventure Tank Bag on the 1190 here. We're gonna have 3 straps. We're gonna have 2 individual straps. One is gonna mount to each side of the frame rail, and then we have this U-shaped strap that's gonna go up and around the headstock of the motorcycle and then clip into these front 2 clips. I'm now gonna girth hitch this strap around a frame rail of the motorcycle. Now I'm going to repeat on the other side. Now that we have the 2 back straps installed, we're going to take our U-shaped strap and affix it around the neck of the motorcycle. Again, we're going to remove the crossover strap, and we're now going to find a slot down here in the neck of the motorcycle to be able to pass it through. So now with the crossover, I'm going to clip this guy in, pull him tight. I'm going to clip this guy in. And now I'm going to wrap up my extra tail and tuck it under the strap keeper. And repeat on the other side. With the 2 buckles fastened at the front of the motorcycle in the position that we want them at, we're going to make sure that the handlebars clear and we don't have any clearance issues. Now that we've got the front of the bike all dialed in, we're going to come back to the back of the bike and we're going to pull each of these straps, securing this bag to the tank. Now that the bag is secure, we're going to wind our straps back on each other and tuck them into the strap holders. And there you have it, the installation of the Hurricane Adventure Tank Bag. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you. Until next time, take care and ride safe. And if you'd like to learn more about this tank bag or any of the other Hurricane line of products, please visit nelsonrigg.com.